3 Atlas just shifted its orbit against gravity, raising serious concerns among scientists. Before the noise of its discovery reached Earth, 3I/Atlas had already rewritten a law of nature. Spectra showed nickel where there should be dust, metal where there should be ice. A Manhattan-sized visitor bleeding a human alloy in a place where industry does not exist. It wasn't arrival that unsettled scientists. It was recognition. Something out there was doing metallurgy in the dark, a city in the dark between worlds, in the deep, airless quiet between Mars and the Sun. Something the size of Manhattan is shedding metal. Astronomers first logged it as a fast mover, an interstellar object slicing into our system on a cold, efficient trajectory. They named it 3I/Atlas, the third known interstellar visitor unbound to the Sun. Not born here, not shaped here, not ours. It should have behaved like a comet. That was the expectation. That is always the expectation. A frozen body gets close to heat, ice flash to vapor, pressure builds, and the thing starts bleeding out in a curved glowing tail that stretches away from the Sun like a banner. We've watched that performance all our lives. No one questioned the script. In late July, the Hubble Space Telescope tracked it and produced an image that made observers uncomfortable for reasons they could not immediately describe. There was no gorgeous, sweeping tail being blown backward by solar radiation, no long white veil curling into space. Instead, there was a concentrated jet, a hard stream of expelled mass firing in exactly the wrong direction. Rather than peeling away from the Sun, the flow of material was aimed toward it. That jet wasn't light and pretty. Spectral work suggested that 3I/Atlas was giving off nickel at about 4 grams per second. But again, no sign of iron riding with it. That ratio is wrong. In every normal comet ever studied, including the 2 known before 3I/Atlas that came from outside the solar system, nickel and iron show up together in broadly comparable amounts. They are partners. They condense out of the same primordial furnaces. You do not get one without the other.